Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder, a no-code app builder creates iOS and Android apps for your website with elegant UI design and rich e-commerce functionalities quickly and simply. This video guides you to edit the TabBar for your mobile app using FluxBuilder App Builder. Log in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select the app you created or select any of the apps in the Featured Apps section below. Now in the design, select the TabBar option. In Settings, make sure that you have enabled the feature to make it work on app. Choose Always Show TabBar. The TabBar will be displayed on all screens. On top of the panel, we have prepared some templates. You can use these templates to quickly design TabBar for your mobile app. As you can see, this TabBar template has one more interesting feature is Float button. You can edit more for the Float button on FluxBuilder. After that, you can next to the indicator configurations. The icon color and padding can be also adjusted as shown in the video. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.